First thing first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Ooh, the master of my sea. Ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soaking to the message, writing my poems for a few that took me to do me, shook me, feeling me, singing my heartache from the pain, taking my message from the base, speaking my lesson from the brain, sing the beauty for the pain. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. Pain, you break me down and build me up, believer, believer. Pain, oh, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from pain. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. Third things third, said the prayer to ones up above. All the hate that you heard, turn your spirit to a dove. Ooh, your spirit up above. Ooh. I was choking in the crowd, pulling my rain up in the crowd, calling the ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Ever lived, ever and flowing, I keep it till limited till it broke open and drained down like pain. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. Pain, you break me down and build me up, believer, believer. Pain, oh, let the bullets fly, let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from pain. You made me, oh, you made me a believer, believer. Last thing last, by the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face of the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh, the blood in my veins. Oh, ooh. But they never did, ever lived, ever and flowing, inhibited, limited till it broke up and drained down like